वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम लोग यहाँ पे एक नए वीडियो के साथ 10 मिनट शो ऑन जनरल साइंस। आज हम लोग जनरल साइंस के कुछ सवाल करेंगे जो सीजीएल के किसी ना किसी वर्ष पर आए हुए हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला सवाल, सॉरी printing mistake. A concave lens always forms an image which is real and erect, virtual and erect, real and inverted, virtual and inverted. The answer is virtual and erect. Vitamin requires cobalt for its activity. The vitamin is vitamin B12, vitamin D, vitamin B2, vitamin A. That is vitamin B12. One of the constituents of tear gas is ethane, ethanol, ether, and chloropicrin. That is chloropicrin. The modulus of rigidity is the ratio of longitudinal stress to longitudinal strain, volume stress to volume strain, shearing stress to shearing strain, tensile stress to tensile strain. The answer is shearing stress to shearing strain. The propagation of sound waves in a gas involves adiabatic compression and refraction, is isothermal compression and rarefaction, isochoric compression and rarefaction, isobaric compression and rarefaction. The answer is option A, adiabatic compression and refraction. An atomic clock is based on transitions is सोडियम, सीजियम, मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम 2 बार हो गया, सॉरी। ऑप्शन 2 cesium is the right answer. Plasma membrane in eukaryotic cell is made up of phospholipid, lipoprotein, phospholipoprotein, phosphoprotein. That is phospholipid. Which one of the following is also called the powerhouse of the cell? Golgi body, mitochondria, ribosome and lysosome. The answer is mitochondria. Next. What is the chemical name of vinegar? Citric acid, acetic acid, pyruvic acid, and malic acid. That is acetic acid. Next. Which of the following is not a property of heavy water? Boiling point of heavy water is lower than that ordinary water. Density of heavy water is higher than that of ordinary water. Freezing point of heavy water is higher than that of ordinary water, or it produces corrosion. The answer is boiling point of heavy water is lower than the ordinary water. ये कोई प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, नॉट। देखिए, नॉट अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ हेवी वाटर का ये कोई प्रॉपर्टी है ही नहीं जो बॉइलिंग वाटर ऑफ हेवी वाटर इज लोअर देन द ऑर्डिनरी वाटर, नहीं। देखिए, इन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोसेसेस एनर्जी इज रिलीज्ड? रेस्पिरेशन, फोटोसिंथेसिस, इंजेशन, एब्जॉर्प्शन। रेस्पिरेशन के द्वारा एनर्जी प्रोसेस रिलीज करती है, मतलब ये प्रोसेस के द्वारा एनर्जी रिलीज करती है। Animals living in the tree trunks are also known as arboreal, volant, amphibious, aquatic. That is arboreal, जो ट्री ट्रंक में रहती है। एनिमल्स ट्री का ट्रंक्स पे रहती हैं, उन लोगों को आर्बोरियल बोलते हैं। Next, heat transfer horizontally within the atmosphere is called conduction, convection, absorption, advection. The answer is advection. Noise is measured in watt, rem, rem, centigrade, decibel, of course, decibel. The sorry, the bad scan. Oh, oh, bad scan नहीं, bird scan. Sorry. uh, bat bats can fly in the dark because they can see the objects in darkness. They have weak legs uh, and they have weak legs and and likely to be attacked by the predators. The generate flashes of light. They generate flashes of light and they generate ultrasonic sounds. Of course, ultrasonic sound waves. What changes will happen to a ball of ice and water kept at exactly 0 degrees Celsius? All ice will melt, all water will become ice. No changes will happen, only some ice will melt. What changes will happen to a ball of ice and water kept at exactly 0 degrees Celsius? Okay, 0 degrees Celsius. No changes will happen actually. The art and science of map. The art and science of map making is called. Map making is called remote sensing, cartography, photogrammetry, mapping, cartography. This is a science of map making, cartography. Silver halides are used in photographic plates because they are oxidized in air, soluble in hypo solution, reduced by light, totally colorlessly. Totally colorless. Totally colorless. The answer is reduced by light. Silver halides are used in photographic plates because reduced light. Silver halides. Tetraethyl lead is a catalyst used in burning fossil fuel, an antioxidant, a reductant, anti-knock compound. An anti-knock compound. Tetraethyl is anti-knock compound. Isotope used for production of atomic energy is U325, U338, 238, U234, U236, that is U235. The acceleration due to gravity at the equator is less than that at the poles. Less than that at the poles is greater than that at the poles is equal to that at the poles. Does not depend on the Earth's centripetal acceleration. Acceleration is less than that at the pole. Equator is less than that at the poles. Okay. Which of the following is not a nucleon? Proton, neutron, and electron and positron. Of course, positron. The material used in the manufacture of lead pencil is graphite, lead, carbon, mica. Graphite. Next. Angle of friction and angle of repose are equal to each other, not equal to each other, proportional to each other, none of them. Angle of friction and angle of repose equal to each other. Angle of friction and angle of repose both are equal to each other. What happens to a person who receives the wrong type of blood? All the arteries constrict, all the arteries dilate, the RDC not an RBC agglutinate, the spleen and lymph nodes deteriorate. Of course, the RBC agglutinate. If all bullet could not be removed from the gunshot injury of a man, it may cause poisoning by mercury, lead, iron, arsenic. Of course, lead. Ringworm is a dash disease, bacterial, protozoa, viral and fungal. Ringworm is a fungal disease. Next, pituitary gland is situated in the base of the heart, base of the brain, neck and the abdomen. Base of the brain. Saliva helps in the digestion of fats, starch, proteins and vitamins. Why this is these mistakes are happening? Proteins. The answer is no. Sorry, saliva helps in the digestion of starch. Longest bone of the human body, ulna, humerus, uh, femur, tibia, of course. The time period of a pendulum when taken to the moon would remain the same. Decrease time period of a pendulum. It's okay. Moon remain the same. Decrease becomes 0. Increase, of course, increase. The function of a ball bearing in a wheel is to increase the friction, to convert kinetic friction into rolling friction, to convert static friction into kinetic friction, just for convenience. To convert kinetic friction into rolling. Kinetic into rolling friction. That is the ball bearing. Shock absorbers are usually made of steel, as it is not brittle, has lower elasticity, has higher elasticity, has no ductile property. Elasticity has higher elasticity. Shock absorbers, highest elasticity. Which of the following could be used as the fuel in propellant of rocks? Liquid hydrogen plus liquid nitrogen, liquid oxygen plus liquid argon, liquid nitrogen plus liquid oxygen, liquid hydrogen, of course, rocket, in rocket. This is liquid hydrogen plus liquid oxygen. The addition of gypsum to Portland cement helps in increasing the strength of cement, rapid setting of cement, preventing rapid setting of cement, reducing the cost of cement. Of course, preventing the rapid setting of cement. That's why the addition of gypsum to Portland cement helps in preventing rapid setting of cement. White long distance is why sorry long sorry mm, this lung disease. White lung disease is prevalent among the workers of paper industry, cement industry, cotton industry. White lung disease, LUNG, lung disease. Eh, mm, that is for cement industry. Lud, Ludoform. I Iodoform is used as an is used as an antipyretic, analgesic, antiseptic, and anesthetic. That is antiseptic. An artificial ecosystem is represented by pisciculture tank, agricultural tank, zoo, aquarium. Artificial ecosystem, of course, aquarium. The constituent of automobile exhaust that can cause cancer is oxides of nitrogen, carbon monoxide, polycyclic hydrocarbons, and lead. That is lead. The optimum dissolved oxygen level required for survival of aquatic organisms is 4 to 6, 2 to 4, 8 to 10, 12 to, that is 4 to 6. The world's only floating national park is situated Manipur, Kuala Lumpur, Dispur, that is Manipur. Who invented vaccination for smallpox? Sir Frederick and no. Alexander Fleming, that is penicillin. Penicillin. Edward Jenner. No. Louis Pasteur. Not Louis Pasteur. Edward Jenner. It's the right answer. BT seed is associated with rice, wheat, cotton, oilseeds. That is cotton. Which of the following minerals is found in monazite sand? Potassium, uranium, sodium, thorium. Of course, thorium. In coriander, the useful parts: roots and leaves, leaves and flowers, leaves and dry fruits, flowers and dry fruits. That is leaves and dry fruits. Which part is called herbal Indian doctor? Amla, mango, neem, tulsi. Of course, amla. The pH of human blood: 7.2, 7.8, 6.6, 7.4. That is 7.4. Which among the following is the largest endocrine gland in the body? Thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, pituitary. That is thyroid. Largest endocrine gland, thyroid. Which among the following is the largest mammal? Elephant, whale, dinosaur, dinosaurs. Of course, whale. Next. Which part is modified as the task of elephant? Canine, premolar, second incisor, molar. Of course, second incisor. So this was the last slide of this वीडियो. तो आज यहीं पे वीडियो को खत्म करते हैं. लुक 10 मिनट्स वीडियो है बट इसको 10 इतने सारे क्वेश्चन को 10 मिनट्स में कंप्लीट करना इट्स टोटली डिफिकल्ट. सो अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं. आपको अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक शेयर कमेंट ज़रूर करें. अगर नए हो तो आप सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दें. तो थैंक यू. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे.